we live? Yeah. Well, good day and welcome to this video. I think I'm live. Right? Oh yes, I'm live. Yeah. I thought I'm chatting and I'm not even live, but I am. I'm live. Right. So welcome. And if you've never been here before, I'm Michael Coates and I'm the founder and creator of thesewingguru.com, and it's a website which teaches people how to sew and tailor. Now our concept is very unique and it really does work. Now if you've been here before, thanks for joining us and thanks for supporting us. If not, then welcome. Truly welcome. Now if you could like this video and share it, that'd be fantastic. I'm just going to bring this over because I keep looking away. That'd be great. So like, share us, tell your friends about us, all of the things. And if you want to be notified about all of our live videos, then you can click a link that says receive all live notifications right in this video. Click that and you will then receive a notification whenever we go live, and then you won't miss a video. But like I said, like us, share us, that'd be great. Now if you're not a member of the site, you can click the link that's on the description of this video, and there's an offer there. Join us. Now also as well, what we're doing is we are giving away free e-tips. Now they look like this, okay, and these are 100% free, okay. You don't even need to be a member of the site. These are free. We're giving them away, the first 10. Now once you've got the first 10, there is an offer there that is a great offer to join the site, and if you do join, you will get the following 32 e-tips, which gives you the entire set, and that would look something like this, and they're in a PDF file. So click the link and you'll get the first 10 100% free. It doesn't cost anything, nothing at all. Just click the link, have a look and get that, and there is an offer there, and like I say, you would again get the full set. Not only would you be a full member of the website and you have access to all of the videos, but you would then get the complete set of e-tips as well. And not only that, you get a full welcome pack which describes, there's special links there, describes the site, and there's loads and loads of great information in there as well, and that's a complete free welcome pack as well. And it's not just 1 or 2 pages, there's a lot of pages as well in that, and that's also in a PDF file, so you get that as well. So you get your e-tips and you get your welcome pack as well. So what else have we got? Oh yes, we accept payments worldwide. We accept them through PayPal or Stripe. If you don't have a PayPal account, then just go through Stripe, which accepts credit cards, and we accept payments through that. So we've got every platform covered, and we are worldwide. So it's perfect for everyone that wants to learn to sew. And I tell you something: if you join, you will not be disappointed, because I've got a lot of reviews on the site that people absolutely love the site and they are learning so much. It's uncanny what they're learning, and I'm really pleased about that. It's really great. So you won't be disappointed. Like I say, if you join the site, you will not be disappointed, and there's everything there possible to imagine to learn to sew. Now, one of the main things that I get asked is, do you show us how to make the tailored jacket? So what I'm wearing, the tailored jacket here, and the mannequin behind us, proper tailored jacket. And the answer is yes, yeah, we do. Now, not only do we show the tailored jacket, we have 4 different styles of jackets as well, completely step by step. And included in that, we've got the standard tailored jacket, we've got the industrial tailored jacket. We have the tailored jacket with a shawl collar, and we also have the ladies tailored jacket. Now this gives you complete step by step. Now 2 of those collections are known as extended collections, and what they cover is from the measuring phase to the pattern construction phase to making a toile, which is a first proof, which is like you make it out of like a cheap curtain lining or a calico. It's more or less basically sewing up your pattern, and then you're altering it, and that more or less becomes your pattern. Your toile becomes your pattern. And then once you've done your toile and you know your jacket fits really well and everything else, then you can then stitch up the whole thing. We show you how to create the tailored jacket from start to finish, all step by step, all video based. So it consists of a lot of content. There's like 30 videos or something for one collection, and we're not just talking 5-minute videos or 10-minute videos. Some of them are nearly an hour long. So you get a lot of information there, and I show you hands-on how to do every little bit, every step, even to how you turn the fabric for creating an upper welt pocket, like on here, the upper welt pocket there. Every step, how to do that, and we go through the whole thing. Now, also as well, people have been asking, does this include canvases? Yes, it does. It includes the interfacings, the fusings, and the floating canvases, which of course gives the body on the front of the jacket. That's what gives this stiffness, you see. That's what gives it shape. So yes, it includes the canvases. It includes every single step that a tailored jacket would need. We show you, and not only that, we show you different types of sleeve finishings. Like for instance, the fake vent here. Can you see on there? It's a fake vent. All right. I show you a really fantastic way of how to do this vent. It's a mitered corner really, but I can show you how to do this for any length and any width, and it works. It's a genius thing. I found this out, decades and decades ago, just by sewing over and over again, and I found this perfect concept of how to do that, the mitered corner on the sleeve. And I show you exactly how to attach the lining in as well, so it all looks really professional. There's also a standard sleeve where there's no vent there. We show you the upper welt pocket, the pipe pocket, the patch pocket. You've got a notch collar, you've got a peak lapel, shawl collar, so on and so forth. Every single thing is there to do with a tailored jacket. So you can basically create any design that you so want to do. Anything at all that you want to, you can create from this tailored jacket. You might have seen something really special that you've seen on the TV or anywhere that you would want to replicate that you just can't find in the shops, but you want to just replicate this jacket. Well, we show you how to do that step by step. So it's really worth it. It really is, and the site covers the whole thing. It's fantastic. And not only that, we are there 24/7, so you can log in as a full member. You can log in whenever you like. You can watch the videos whenever you like. They are available 24/7 for months and months, or however long you have your membership for. I've had people on the site now for years and years and years, and they still haven't finished what they were doing because it takes them that long to just perfect it, really. And they not only do they use the site for a jacket, they use it for trousers, waistcoat, dress, pajamas, you name it, it's there. The shirt, everything, it's there. And they use it for that. And for instance as well, say if you you've created all these garments, and then you just want to brush up on your skills to create, say, the upper welt pocket. They log back in and they do that, and it's there, it's available. So it's there, available constantly, 24/7, it's there, and it's available for you to see. So, like I said, if you like us, like the video, share it, please share it, tell your friends about it, tell everyone about it, get the word out. The Sewing Guru gives you all of this advice, and it's a fantastic thing. But not only that, it's brilliant value, because how many of you have gone to a sewing class, a physical sewing class, and it's costed you a lot of money, but then you haven't really got out of it what you really wanted to get out of it, and then if you did get out of it what you wanted, you tend to sort of forget, because you need to practice it all the time, so you forget. This is where the Sewing Guru is perfect, because you can log in whenever you need it and it's there. And not only that, if you think, well, I'm doing a physical class, great, the Sewing Guru could be a fantastic complement to your physical classes. So you can do your physical classes, or you can be a student at college, but then you want to brush up on something else, but then your class is not available on that particular day or on that particular week. Then the Sewing Guru is there for you. Log in, have a look, and you can brush up on your skills that way. So it's a perfect complement to your physical class if you want to keep on doing the physical class. Because of course, let's face it, it's a real social aspect as well. So I can fully understand if you want to, have both. That would be great. It would work fantastically in tandem with both. What have I got here? If you're not a member, please click the link above this video for our latest offer. And not only that, you do get your 10 free e-tips, right? 100% free. Click the link and just go to that part and you'll be able to download your free e-tips. All right, just put your email in and download your free e-tips. It doesn't cost anything. It's there. It's 100% free. And not only that, there is an offer where if you join the site, you then get the full set. The whole lot. You get the full set and the welcome pack. So it's all there. But not only that, in the site you get patterns, pattern parts. So there's proper way of how to create the upper welt pocket, that sort of thing. And the patterns correspond with all of the videos. So it's all there. So join us. Please join us. You won't be disappointed. And it's not a lot. It's so cheap. The website, for what you get, it's so cheap, believe me. And you will not be disappointed. I can't tell you enough how valuable the site is. It really is. So join us and be part of our sewing community. Welcome everyone, and we love you all. And it's great to see that many people sewing and learning that much, and people love the site. Have a look at the reviews. People love the site, they really do. Now, not only that, we're not just a site that's just been around 1 or 2 years. We are a 10-year-old site. We're now 11th year now. So we're very established and we've been around a long, long time. And it works on all platforms. The mobile, the tablet, the laptop and the desktop. It works on all platforms. So it's great on all devices, works with everything, and the whole site. You can log in via your mobile and you can just watch the videos on your mobile like you can on the desktop computer as well. Now, if you're already a member of the site, please leave us a review. We really, really appreciate that. We like to know what people are thinking and how they truly feel about sewing. Leave us a review. That really is great for us. And not only that, it helps others as well, because they can truly see what people are thinking and how much they value the Sewing Guru. So leave us a review if you're already a member. Also, as well, if you like to post some images as well of garments that you've created, people do that, and we'll post you on our members. I just can't think of the words. I can't think of the word. Our members gallery. That's right. Our members gallery. You'll be on there, and you can show others as well your wonderful work. Some fantastic things people have made and kindly posted in images to us. And they're on the members gallery, and some of the things that people create are stunning garments. They're so well put together, and it's really great, and to think that they're not even professionals, they're like amateurs that like to do this as a hobby, and they post these most wonderful garments. Really, really impressive. Now, the site is not only for amateurs and people doing it as a hobby. It is for people who have a business, professionals who want to do alterations, because we have a massive alteration section in there. So the site, not only is it for that, it's for professionals as well. It's for every level, beginner all the way through to professional. So we're there. So I just wanted to just talk a little bit about the tailored jacket and the site today, and just try and get across how great the site is and how you would not be disappointed if you joined. So give us a try. Click the link, you get your free e-tips, and there's an offer there. If you want to join the site, join the site. And like I say, you won't be disappointed. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now. Bye.